Oh my God, wait.
Yeah, it's crazy.
No fucking way.
Yeah.
It's like a deity, like a goddess.
I know.
No, Ben, this is out of the fucking way.
I know, that's why I was like, hold that.
Yes.
That's why I was talking to you, and I was like, hold that.
It's like another person. No fucking way.
I've never made images like that here before. It's pretty awesome. I think come on over and just pick a spot in the wall. Pick a spot that you like. Yeah, right on the wall. No, right here. Yeah.
With the light or?
Yeah, right in the middle. I think go down into the light a little bit. You like those boots?
I love them.
Those are cool.
When it's class. I love classroom boots. And I was looking for them for a year.
Maybe, yeah, move down to where you're just fully in the sun. Let's see, I won't keep you there too long. People are interested, and people have stories. So I'm interested in stories. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your background is. I don't care what kind of car you drive. I don't care who you want to sleep with. I don't care what's going on underneath your clothes. I don't care. Like, are you like a good person? Can we communicate? Can we respect each other?
It's about souls.
Can we share our stories?
Exactly.
We're all those people trying to get through life. So that's where I come from.
I like that.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, we all got to get up in the morning and get through the day and try and make a living. Awesome. This is it. You just be you. Just feel whatever you're feeling. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. I'll get closer. Yeah, you okay? Don't go blind. Nice. I like it. Nice. The earrings look really cool like this. Good call. Yes.
Well, my name is Amar Sotomayor. I am come from the beautiful island of Puerto Rico in the middle of the Caribbean. Something interesting about me is that I don't look obviously my age. I'm like Cher. I'm eternal. I'm like the wind. I just go with the flow, and I'm getting wiser and more beautiful, like everybody.
Perfect. Yeah, just lean back into it and kind of, yeah, exactly. Yeah, whatever you're feeling. Oh yeah, this is so cool. Cool. We did that. Now I'm gonna try something else. So now I want you right here, just right here, barely in the sun. Cool. Come here, I'll show you what we got.
Wow.
See how cool that looks? It looks like really expensive lighting, but it's just the sun.
Amazing.
And a shadow behind you.
I love that picture.
It's so great, right?
It's perfect.
Yeah. Easy.
I love those pictures.
Yeah.
It's very overwhelming that to see myself like, I'm transgender and just coming from another background, just, seeing myself. Like, it's always.
Is it hard? Is it weird for you? Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I mean, 'cause, like I've always been a woman, but I was like living in as a man.
Yeah.
I was,
but you didn't feel comfortable.
No, I wasn't.
You weren't because you're.
Since I was very little, but
Yeah.
we were from the same generation, so there was no internet.
No,
I didn't have the.
People didn't know how to deal with that.
No, I didn't know how to do it, so I started
Yeah.
transitioning like at 41.
Oh, okay. That's tough. You're like halfway through your life.
Exactly.
And
I
you're
was
trying
like,
to
I'm not
figure
gonna
out.
die as a man because I've never been a man. So
Yeah.
in Puerto Rico, I have a career, so I like came up publicly and explained because I was like, I was in the middle. You know, I'm working in the public, you know, in the media, and I was like, there were roles for men, and I wasn't feeling I was in hormones. It was a process. My family, my friends, but thank God everything, you know, turned out pretty. And now I can see myself, and I can see who I always been.
Beautiful.
Thank you,
Yeah.
and thank you for um, with these pictures.
Yeah, it's
When I
amazing.
saw-
It's great.
Give me.
Yeah,
I was
it's
there.
great. It's great.
That's so sweet. Thank you. I
Yeah,
appreciate
of
it.
course.
But when I saw the picture, it's like, you know, it's been so many. You know, it's like seeing myself every time I work in a campaign, in a shoot, in a commercial. I see. I'm like, if I'm doing it, I know I can help other people just be visible. There's a lot
Yeah.
of trans people that they don't want to go out
Yeah.
publicly.
Yeah.
Because they're scared of people being judgmental.
Yeah. I mean, it's like I don't know. You know, I'm always been very. I know exactly who I am, but I think it would be confusing and scary and
Like you don't
terrifying.
know.
Yeah, you don't know, and then a lot of other people don't know how to deal with that either, and so
And there's a lot of
Yeah.
microaggressions.
Yeah.
And they call you by the incorrect pronouns or names.
yes,
And you're dealing with all this shit, you know.
it's
So-
tough, and then like, you know, they
And
don't
the
know.
laws.
Yeah, exactly.
But here, it's been, you know, it's been nice just
Good.
to see myself and be visible and just inspire other people. Like I've been inspired by other people too,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's been amazing.
Good.
It's an amazing journey, I would say.
That's amazing. Thank you for sharing it.
No, thank you. You gave me the confidence to be vulnerable with you. I would say one of the things I'm afraid is being like trapped, like a little bit claustrophobic. I'm afraid of that. Also, of not being successful, like in life. That's one of the things that I'm trying for. Continue working and continue growing, and just not being able to succeed in life. I have so many. I'm so ambitious. Did I say that correctly? Ambiciosa, ambitious. So I'm. Yes, and I love my accents. The accent is like my music, you know. I like my deep accent, but you know, I think I've not been successful and being trapped. And also, if you see these little lizards, getting close to them, or rats, or like, no, it's not happening. I'm afraid of that. I'm not perfect, you know.
Yeah, come over here maybe a little bit more. Maybe we'll just put you kind of, I think. I don't know. I gotta figure this out. Oh, that's super bright, huh? Let's turn this sucker down. Okay. Let's try that. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be awesome. You're gonna like this a lot. And you have the perfect outfit for it, for what we're doing. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is super red. Where am I at? Okay, I think this should work. Yeah. It's cool, right?
No, it's not because
Look how badass that is. It's fucking badass.
you're doing nice.
Okay, so
Wow.
yeah. Yeah, so now you gotta really be badass. Perfect. Beautiful.
Okay.
Oh, hold that. Amazing. Love it. Come in, keep it right in there. I'm gonna come in on your face. It's better if you're facing this way though, because the light will get your face. Yeah, yeah. I'm just coming around behind you. I get little stuff. Yeah. Let's look at a couple. These aren't all great, but let's look. There's going to be a few pretty good ones in there.
We're taking those pictures. They look very editorial.
There we go. This is what I liked. See your eyes?
Yes. No, Ben, you're... No.
No, that's pretty good.
Yes.
These are okay, but
I love them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm critical of my lighting, so I look at it like I like that.
Oh my God, I love
I like that.
I look so tall.
See, it looks like we're in a nice studio.
Yes. Amazing. No. I'm telling you, you're taking me here, and all of a sudden, when I saw those pictures, I'm out of here. You're like teletransporting.
Yeah. I know people think like, where the f are you taking me? What am I doing? I'm under this bridge. Like, what am I doing? I'm walking through the dirt. We come down here. I'm not f***ing around. Like, we're gonna take real pictures. I just like why I like this. Nobody comes down here.
It's kind of private.
It's just you and I. It's kind of private. Occasionally someone will walk through, but very rarely. And then we have this big space with different light. The light is changing. You watch, this light is changing.
Yes.
It will continue to evolve, and we'll use it in different ways. The light is different over there than it is here. We can go out here in the dirt, and it's totally different.
Yes.
So
it's different in the
I can do a wide variety of things. I call this my studio because it just allows me to do high quality work, and it's private mostly. You have to be a little bit brave, and you got to change your clothes down here, but that's fine, right? We give you some privacy. We respect you, so yeah.
And I mean, in this business, it's part of it. You're in a fashion show. You need to, I've learned to take it out and put everything on.
Yeah. You're a pro.
How you make it feel?
What inspires you?
What inspires me? Good question. I think love inspires me. My name is Amar. Amar means to love. Love inspires me. People, the stories of the people, their backgrounds. I think everybody has a story, everybody has a background, everybody has something to share to the world, and I'm more into that. I think it's more about love. That inspires me. The stories of love of people I know and meet. And I think at the end of the day, it's all about love.
I like that. That's cool. And then bring your right hand up a little bit. Yeah. And then forehead into the wall. Yeah, right there. Okay, this is amazing. Right there. I shot here live. Never shot this image. This is amazing. I love it. Yes. Yes. Go forehead into the wall. Yes. Okay, hold that. This is epic. Some of these I really like.
Oh my God.
No, look.
No way.
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty epic.
Oh my God, that looks like
Like your alien.
Yes.
Like it's your shadow. It's your shadow self. It's pretty epic.
No, that's amazing.
I know. I've never shot this photo before. It's really awesome. I love it. Well, we have to keep upping the ante,
Yes.
We kind of do the easy stuff first, and then we try and do the harder stuff.
Look, you're someone who you came from another country, and you drove all the way across this country to follow your dreams. What advice would you give people who feel like they want to do something and they're maybe afraid? Maybe they're afraid to be themselves. If you have experience there, what advice would you give people who are just afraid and who feel trapped or feel like they can't represent themselves or they can't go after the things that they want to go after in life?
I always said that life is so short. If God, the universe, I don't know what you believe, no matter what, if that universe, that God, that spirit gave you the talent, you have to go for it because you were made for that. If you feel, I'm a trans woman, so just be yourself. Life is so short. Sometimes family, friends, people that you love they don't understand. You have to give them time to understand because if, for example, if I'm transitioning people around you are transitioning to. So it's about healing, it's about love, it's about communication. Sometimes you have to keep those people out of your life so you can evolve. It's like a butterfly. You need to evolve and just open your wings and fly. I would say that if you have talents, no matter what talents are, you need to go for them and just put them out there. You know, you have them for a reason. You need to use them. So I'm doing it, and everybody can do it. I'm visible. You can also be visible. You have to be strong. You have to love yourself. Put yourself out there, because we all deserve to be happy. No matter what people say, no matter what your parents, friends, society, you know, you have to be visible. You were born to be free and to love. And if you're in a place that you're not being respected or you're not being loved, you have to move. You're not a tree. You need to move and fight for your dreams. Life is short, so don't give power to anyone. Just start loving yourself, putting yourself first, and then everything will fall into place. You have to be strong. Do you like it?
Yeah. So
I mean,
good.
I'm saying this. It's like, oh my God, is that me?
Mm.
Yes, that's the feeling.
Yeah, that's you. It's pretty good.
No. Those big.
Yeah, right?
It's like a week playing.
Yeah.
No, Ben. You know, in Spanish, Ben means It's a Ben. Dog speaks good.
We killed it.
I told you. The truth, no, you know the truth. It's been amazing. I'm
Good.
like blown away.
Good.
No, the truth. I'm very transparent. I'm
Yeah, I
very,
know. I get that about you. Yeah.
I'm very like straightforward and wow.
Good. Super fun.
Do you like it? Do you have
Yeah.
fun?
Oh yeah. We had awesome pictures.
Yes.
I shot some stuff today that I haven't shot before,
Really?
and I've shot hundreds of people here, hundreds, and I got some stuff today I've never done before, which is hard for me to do.
Because you're used to get like
I kind
in
of
the same place.
I know how to do the light. Everybody's different, of course. You have different energy, but you know, I'm always trying to do something I haven't done before. I don't just show up and try and do the same shit. I'm trying to find something new. You kind of brought that. Like, you did some things that I went, whoa. So, yeah.
I'm so happy.
Super
I'm so-
team effort.
Yes,
Super
yes,
team
no,
effort.
No, I'm thank you for, because you know you took me to that level, because you make me feel secure, and I was like being vulnerable and opening myself, and you took me to that place. You know, I wasn't doing it. I was posting, but you made me feel, you know, like safe, like I can play, and it was like a teamwork. But you helped me just put that images there.
Good.
So
Team effort. Team effort.
it's a wrap.
It's a wrap. No, I got it. No, I'll come back and get it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You make me feel like safe. So
Good. You are safe.
thank you.
Do you want to do, sometimes I interview people. Do you want to can I interview you?
I'm here. Let's do everything.
Let's do it.
Of course.
Heck yeah. All right, cool. Let me switch my cameras. Let me just set up for that. And give me,
Great time.